welcome to our channel, Smalay Philippines. It's Friday afternoon. We're here in Balibago and we're going to show to you the hotel here in Balibago. They call it K Hotel and the Savannah Hotel also.
Okay, let's go another side. Excuse me, where is reception of K Hotel?
Reception.
Thank you. This is restaurant. K Hotel and Residence. This is building of K Hotel. Lobby. I want to take video hotel rooms, K Hotel. Okay, yes, and price how much? I want please show. This is price. So deluxe is minimum is 3.3. Also massage, 200 massage, all in Korean language. I don't understand. Yeah. Yes. We can check share the deluxe room, 3,300.
See, it's so cheap.
I don't know. Depends of the budget. Cheap. I don't know.
3,300 is already deluxe. But if you go to another hotel, it's not the same.
So you wait here? Okay. So many in Korean language. Maybe owner of this hotel is Korean.
Yes, sir.
And so many guests of Korean guests.
Yes, sir. Korean guests.
Don't have from another country, only Korean.
Sometimes, sir.
Sometimes.
But almost Korean.
Okay. To Walking Street don't have shuttle, free shuttle from hotel. How you don't know how I go to the Walking Street?
We have a van, sir.
One have. One from hotel.
Yes, sir. From Pond Hotel.
Mhm.
This is deluxe, sir. This way, sir.
This is deluxe 3,300 peso.
Sir?
3,300 peso deluxe room.
Yes, sir.
Two bedroom. Two bedroom. One bedroom. And have another bedroom. Another bedroom don't have CR. It's only small bed without CR. Balcony is one. This is one balcony. This side is Woods Island. Internet, also Wi-Fi have.
Yes, we have Wi-Fi. Sir, this one is double bed, so it's 6'5".
This is 6'5",
Yes,
6'5".
sir. We have a 33423 in
Mhm.
fourth floor.
Okay.
Plaza Vacant. You want to see that?
Yes,
sir?
yes. It's good for two person.
Yes, sir. 2 person.
I want to see for one person.
Okay, sir. For turn. This way, sir. We in the fifth floor. We go to fourth floor.
and Savannah. So this is 3,300.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Let's go. Yes.
Thank you po. Let's go.
Thank you.
Po.